Hello everybody, welcome back to Scuba Ty, and today in this video I'm going to be snorkeling my hometown's river for treasure. So I came up with this idea of snorkeling down my river because I lost a few things down it while I was tubing, and my friends have also lost a few items too. And so many people go down the river with tubes and kayaks, and I knew there needed to be some stuff, maybe phones, wallets, who knows. Make sure to watch the video all the way through because there was some pretty interesting finds on my snorkel and you won't want to miss them.
This one gonna fit?
Yeah. Alright, so I got my friend Brad here. He's going to be helping me out. I got this tube to put our cooler and dry bag on, and the dry bag is for anything that we find. And I have my mask here, which I'm going to put the GoPro on. I got the baby shampoo in there so we don't fog up. There it is. Got the Yeti cooler to keep us hydrated and fed. Got some food in there. Got my snorkel, my dive boots so I don't scrape anything up. Got these gloves so I don't scrape my hands. Got the scuba detector, hopefully we'll find something cool with it. And I also have this strainer to strain out the sand. Alright, we arrived at the river and I believe this is going to be our entry spot. It doesn't look that deep, probably 2 to 3 feet of water, and hopefully we'll find some cool stuff. Alright, we're getting ready. There's the tube over there with the cooler. I got the scuba detector and the dry bag, and we're about to go in. Let's do it. Alright, we just got done with 2 spots, and the first one wasn't a success, but the second spot was a great success, and we're going to be diving in this area right here. Alright, so we're going to snorkel right along here. This is where a lot of people get out when they go tubing, so I feel like this is going to be a great spot to find stuff. The current doesn't look that bad. We're going to be going along this bridge, and we're going to see what we could find. Alright, I'm going to go over everything that I got. So, first, we got these cans. Some squirt can, I don't know, Arizona, High Noon, and a Busch Light. And then we also have a yellow Gatorade, looks unopened. And then right here, I don't know, some dance shoe maybe, like a ballerina shoe? I do not know, but some vape things, and then my favorite thing of the day, my two favorites over here, half of this phone. I'm not sure what phone it is. Maybe, I think it looks like the early iPhones, maybe an iPhone 4 or 5, I'm not sure, but there's half of that phone. And then I just found out that this is a shotgun shell, so that's pretty cool that we found that. And probably some hunter, and some top thing for a vape or something. And over here we got, it looks like a fishing lure, I'm not sure. Onion chives, and the top of this beer bottle, and 7 golf balls. So I'm gonna throw away everything except the golf balls and keep those. Thanks again for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe to me. Make sure you stay tuned for next video when I offer my top 5 tips for scuba divers, from beginners to experts. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.